Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back today with a Creative Memories unboxing that was ordered in December of 2018. It is now June, what was it, 26th today? Anyways, I was getting things ready to go on a crop and my youngest brought it in and said, do you need this one? And I was like, well, what is that one? She goes, it's a box that hadn't been opened. I said, oh, does it have, like Creative Memories in it? She goes, no, it's a box that came that you never opened. And I said, whoops. So anyways, and honestly, I didn't remember this order until I opened it. So, it was a little crazy. But because of that, I've got some fun things at the end of this video. So hang in there with me. Alright, so in this video, or in this box, pardon me, I bought the bow, where are my scissors? What'd I do? Okay, I put my scissors somewhere. Well, let me see. Okay, maybe I can get it open. Yeah. These nails are great, but sometimes I don't like to open things very well. So, and I don't save these boxes, so I kind of beat them up when I open them. So this is an embossed, I think this is the embossed, yeah, it is an embossed bow. So, it's a bunch. How cute is that? That's going to be perfect for me to take. So, super fun. I love these punches because they unlock and they lock down. So, super cute, super fun. I also picked up a sundial punch. So, I thought I already had this one, so I'm going to have to double check. But if I do, I'll just give this one away. But this goes to the Creative Memories like cartridge punch. So it is a lot of fun and definitely love. This one is the sun, and it reminds me a lot of the Desert Southwest. So that's why I picked that one up. So I'm going to leave that one in the box. Alrighty. And then, let's see here. Oh, this was shipped December 10th. I wonder why it was shipped the 10th and I didn't get it till later, but sometimes we have problems with deliveries out here. Okay, so now, which this is perfect, because we're doing a class on this one. I believe this is the one. So this is Mermaid Cove. So these are the journaling cards, and hold on, I really need my scissors. I just used them to open the box, but, oh, I've got some other scissors here. Yay, thank you, Lord. So, let's open these babies up. And they're going to do a special class. We have a lot of guests coming who are going to be there for the class, and I'm super excited. So, or for the weekend. Okay, so you gotta love that one. Super cute. And this paper is gorgeous. And then, oh, she is so cute. I love all the different colored mermaids. I love the seashell. Right there, the clamshell. Life with You is magical. Oh, I love the porthole. Sweet but salty. Cute. Oh, that's cute. I love that. And the mermaid scales. And then there are a million fish in the sea, but I'm a mermaid. Super cute. Love the waves. Mermaid off duty. Perfect together. That's cute. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Just kind of the swirly waves. Okay, another mermaid. She's so pretty. And then there's the waves. Ocean waves. Fish under the sea. The little crab holding a sign. Oh, that's cute. He's on the bottom of the ocean floor. That is so cute. Oh, and here it is at the long way. Love that. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Same thing, the long way. Dance with fairies, ride a unicorn, swim with the mermaids, chase rainbows. It's on both sides. Every day I'm sparkling. There you go. There's that. Okay, so there's that part. And then here are the big ones. I love that. All the fish in the water. And then a journaling card. Pardon me. Kind of the bottom of the ocean, and or the sand dunes, however you want, and a place to journal. And the beautiful fish scales. Another journaling card. Or I guess you can do it that way too. And then, ooh, that's kind of a neat porthole. And Always Be You with a little mermaid tail. And I Really Love You. That's so cute. Another fun, kind of interesting porthole. And more bubbles, please. You Octopi My, and then heart. So cute. Okay. Ooh, I love that with the mermaid tail swimming by. I love that one. I love the water. More, and then a journaling spot. And some of those pretty purple ocean swirls. Whoops, excuse me. And then a journaling spot. Ooh, I liked with the bubbles that time. That's pretty. The colors in this kit are phenomenal. If you guys want to go take a look at them, my link for my online Creative Memories website is there. Go take a look. See what you like. I love that. And that is so pretty. And the paper to this is amazing. Oh, I love that. So cute. And the journaling spot. You know, this is even perfect, like, if you had, like, one of those insects pictures and you didn't really even want to journal. That'd be so cute with that. Oh, I love that with the sun coming down under the water. Oh, I love that. Oh, the porthole. That's cute. Another, you could put a picture here or a die cut or whatever, or you could write, put a picture there, whatever you want to do. Or you've got that gorgeous other side. Pretty. So beautiful. So I'm going to kind of sort of wrap these up so I can stick them in my bag. And I'll remember. Because I've got a bunch of different things I'm taking. Alright. So then, ooh, let's see what the foiled embellishments to all this look like. Okay, I really don't want to take that out, but we may have to. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to. I tried. Oh, look. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at those fish. Look at the little crosses and the arrows and the raised dots. I love that. Doggone, they did a good job on this kit. And I think I've purchased it twice now. Great journaling spot. A little pink octopus. Ooh, gorgeous mermaid tail. A bigger mermaid tail. It's Shimmer Like a Mermaid. That's so cute. And this one says Under the Sea. Look at all that. I love all the sparkle with that. The foiling is gorgeous on this. Speaking of which, look at that mermaid. Isn't she pretty? We've got a little shell there. A little, what are these called? It's a type of fish. I can't remember. I'm sorry. We don't have these, so I don't, you know. Anyways, coral. More shells. More shells. I love sand dollars. More starfish shells. More shells. Whoops. Oh, another one. Another heart. It's like a snail shell. A cute whale. Let's see. This says mermaid. 100% mermaid. That is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. There's some more coral. Another starfish. So pretty. Some seaweed or maybe splashes in the water you could use it as. Super cute. There is some coral. Another unique heart clamshell and sparkle. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I think you're supposed to go that way with it, but you could literally make a flap and journal if you wanted to on the back of that. That is so stinking pretty. Oh, look at the sandcastle. That is so cute. There's another one of those. Gorgeousness. And then there's just a plain silver. That's pretty. And then there's some fish with, maybe that's seaweed? I don't know. So pretty. And then another one. Doggone, this is a cute group. This is amazing. If I bought this twice, I am absolutely, I'm not going to lie to you, I am thrilled. Because some kits you get and you're like, oh, that's nice. That's nice. And then some of them you get and you're like, wow, I really like that one. Yeah, this is the latter. Wow, I really like this one. So, anyways. Okay, let's keep going. Alrighty. So, here is the sticker kit that goes with all that. Let me pull that out. Again, this is Creative Memories Mermaid Cove. Love it. Oh, look at that little fish. scuba mask. So stinking cute. And these are like cardstock stickers, but they have a really nice finish on them. Very, very nice. So you can see it's kind of a cardstocky sticker. So that was the first sheet, and you get 3 of them. So these are great journaling spots. And then they also give you these if you want to use this to journal. The little stickers that says Mermaid Kisses, so magical, cutie, patootie, shine, dream, believe, you were born to sparkle, the world is your oyster. That is so neat. I love that. Starfish wishes, you're perfect, call me on my phone, on my shell phone. So jelly, mini mermaid. That's so cute. My one of my nieces recently took some pictures with, it looks like a professional photographer, and they literally like did her, I think they did her makeup and they had clothes for her to wear, and she was a mermaid. It was gorgeous. Oh, look at those borders. I love the seaweed and I love the bubbles. Wow, Creative Memories is amazing. They are so good at all of this. Because I am an advisor, used to be we were consultants, I picked up some of the logo stickers so I can use them in my planning. I love these, and they're going to go right there. I'm also going to use it for like my Creative Memories, weekends, things like that, in my own journaling. So, I didn't know if I had picked this one up, and I'm so glad I didn't order it. This is the Scallop Decorative Border Punch. So, Creative Memories has some great punches. And I really wanted this one, but I was like, oh, I just want it. You know, it's not like I can use it for something for someone else, blah, blah, blah. You know how you do that. But I'm so happy. I'm going to take that on my trip because they're doing a whole big lesson with this particular paper. I don't know if they're doing the stickers, but I know we needed the paper kit at least. So, anyways, and let me see, I've got, ooh, and, there's the paper. So, I have extra paper, but that's okay because I really love this. This is gorgeous. If you can't see it, it is just gorgeous. So, let me quickly pull this out. And there's usually 10 sheets to these kits. Let me see if that is any different. I will tell you. 12 sheets. I was wrong. 12 by 12 sheets. Let me move that out of the way. Okie dokie. So again, this is Mermaid Cove. I use this side too. I am really cheap. Okay. So that's really pretty. So there's the back side. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, I love that. That ombre. So pretty. There's the back side. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. Ooh, I love all the different colored waves. How cute is that? And then the back, oh, the back side is that pretty blue wave. I love both. I don't even know if I can pick one. Okay. I'm kind of like juggling this in my lap. So that's gorgeous. That's like the shimmer that you see when you're underneath the water. Ooh, and there's the fish that you see when you're under the water. So, okay. I'm going to move this out of my lap now. Oh, I love that. The sun streaming down when you're under the water, the bubbles. Oh, love it. Oh, that's cute too. That is, oh, that's so cute. That is, oh, what am I trying to say? Sudden Dollars. Oh, goodness, I just blanked out on the name of that shell. Anyways, Sun Dollars, is that right? Anyways, and then Starfish. Super cute and all the colors. I just said it, Sand Dollar. I knew I was close. Okay, I've been doing a lot of these today, can you tell? And then last but not least, look at that gorgeous mermaid color. And then there's the beautiful girls. So, super cute. Love that paper. Win, win, win. So, I will be excited to show you what we do with that on our trip, or on our retreat. That's going to be so much fun. I also picked up the Sweetheart template. I have wanted this forever, and I'm excited to pick this up. So, and then I also picked up, ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a phone thingy. Ah, I love that. I didn't know that I ordered that. Maybe they sent it to me. Anyways, oh neat. And that's something you can pick up as an advisor. They have an advisor section that you can pick up things like that. So super fun. And then I also picked up 2 of these little bitsy tiny like brag books. And so you can put all your little pictures in here and put them in your purse. So I picked up one for me and one for my husband for Christmas this year. So what I'm going to do is put, you know, some of the pictures throughout the year. And then, of course, you know, by then, Lord willing, we'll have our new little granddaughter. And I thought that would be a really fun stocking stuffer for my husband. So, okay, I'm going to do a few more hauls. And then I'm going to come back. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and just do it now. I am going to be having some hauls with my creative memories. So, I mean, I'm going to have a giveaway. Pardon me. Oh, goodness. I have spent the last 2-3 nights not getting full night's sleep. And it's becoming kind of habit because, like, last night I was staying up answering comments on the channel. And then I had to get up early. So, please forgive me. And I'm also... we recognized here recently that I was in a severe B12 deficiency, so I have only been on B12 a couple of days. So one of the things that happens is you can kind of forget what you're talking about. So forgive me, but there's other things as well. So weakness, fatigue, all of that, and it's a very interesting set of situations. But we're doing okay. I feel a lot better, and it's great to have. I mean, I can already tell it's helping in a lot of ways, especially with, you know, everything, all the issues. So, all right, so I have 2 of these. So I'm going to have a drawing for this. So below, I need you to leave a comment of how much it has to do with scrapbooking. Let's see, what can we say? I don't know, just talk to me, leave me a message about how you save your family's memories. Is it by, some people do videos, and that is wonderful. And I wish my parents had done that. They did the old-fashioned reel to, yeah, and so some of that, we have a lot of it still, but they were just destroyed. And then we have VHSs that we need to convert to DVDs. We haven't gotten that done yet. But I have a lot of pictures, and I've done some albums, not all albums like I'd like to. But what are the ways that you save your family's memories? So I'm going to give this away. This is a Winter Vine decorative border punch. So it will look exactly like this, but this will be the print. And it goes like this way. So it is a fantastic border punch. I have it already, and I ordered a second one. So yay for you guys. So leave a comment below, be a member of, or be subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed, why aren't you? This is your time, subscribe. And also like this video if you liked it. And finally, share it with somebody that this might encourage. Okay guys, I so appreciate y'all being here. And I kind of have the after lunch like sleepies, which before I hadn't eaten, and I had a really small bowl of veggie, kind of what we call stuffed pepper casserole, and it was just all veggies with a little bit of faux meat, and oh goodness, I guess I've just been in the hole on sleep for a while now, because now it's making me sleepy. I need that, that afternoon siesta. So anyways, but nonetheless, I'm super excited to give this away. This is kind of heavy, so it's gonna, it's probably not gonna be super cheap to mail, but I am excited to give it to you guys. All right, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Oh, how much fun is all this? How much the colors, the shimmer, the shine, how much fun will it be to save my family's memories with this? I'm super excited. All right, I'll be talking to y'all soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.